With rugged new styling, completely redesigned interior and innovative tech, the all-new Dacia Duster is an adventure-seeking SUV that's ready for anything. The Duster comes in either two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive versions, and with prices starting as little as £9,995, you're sure to get more car for your money. There are 4 trim levels in the range. They are the Access, Essential, Comfort, and the range-topping Prestige. Although the new Duster is almost identical in terms of dimensions as the outgoing model, Dacia boasts that every panel on this updated model's body is brand new, and as you can see, the result is a more modern, robust appearance that makes a lasting impression. Some standard exterior features include this sharp, redesigned bonnet, an updated modern grille, boxy wheel arches, tinted windows, and LED daytime running lights. Higher spec models in the range also receive 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, chrome door mirrors, Duster roof bars, and rear parking sensors. The new Dacia Duster has had a complete redesign inside as well. There is a completely new dashboard layout made of better quality materials, as well as updated technology throughout the vehicle. Its new seats are more supportive and comfortable, and extra sound deadening combined with thicker windows have helped reduce cabin noise. Some standard interior features include a more spacious cabin due to the windscreen being moved forward by 100mm, electric front windows, speed limiter, and also there is an eco mode. The higher spec models in the range also receive automatic air conditioning. For the first time, Dacia gives you keyless entry. There's cruise control, a more responsive touchscreen navigation system with multi-view camera, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if you want that little bit more luxury, leather seats are available as an optional extra. The new Duster has a very respectable boot space, with 445 litres for the front-wheel drive model or 376 litres in the four-wheel drive car, so plenty of space to store any baggage or shopping. There are 4 engines to choose from, all a manual with front-wheel drive as standard. There's a 113 brake horsepower 1.2 litre petrol, a 113 brake horsepower 1.5 litre diesel, and 2 freshly announced 1.3 litre petrol engines with 128 brake horsepower and 148 brake horsepower respectively. Four-wheel drive is offered on all of the petrol engines, although you will have to wait until mid-2019 to pick up one in one of the newer 1.3 petrol engines. Impressively, the 4x4 models are able to pull up to 1.5 tons of weight. Safety on the new Duster has also been improved, with Dacia boosting both active and passive safety features. The standard safety features you'll receive include Isofix child seatbelt anchorages, front and curtain airbags, hill start assist, emergency brake assist, and anti-lock brakes. On the higher spec models, parking sensors and blind spot warning system are also available. For more information on features and the different specs available, please visit the Dacia website. The new Duster comes with a 3-year 60,000 mile warranty, 2-year paintwork warranty, and a 6-year anti-corrosion warranty. And with prices starting from only £9,995, the Dacia Duster really could be your next new car. The all-new Dacia Duster. On sale now at our Wessex Garages dealership in Newport.